That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more.
What is up, Kiwis, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my delicious homemade mac and cheese. This is a super easy and delicious recipe, and as you can see here, I'm actually starting off by shredding up all of my cheese. I highly recommend that you guys shred your own cheese because it's going to melt a lot better. And yeah, all of the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check that out. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notifications. So as you guys can see, I've just finished shredding up all my cheeses. I had mozzarella, mild cheddar, and Colby Jack, and now I'll be making my pasta. So I just have some salt going into my boiling water, and I'm going to be adding my macaroni. I'm going to cook my pasta until it's al dente, and then I'm going to drain it and set it aside for later. So now we can go ahead and make our cheese mixture. So in my pan, I have it on medium heat. I'm going to be adding my heavy cream, and then I'm going to wait for it to bubble up a little bit. Once it's nice and bubbly, we can go in with our mild cheddar cheese. Don't add all of it, save a little bit so we can put some more cheese on top before we bake it. I'm also adding my Colby Jack cheese, and we're going to give that a nice good mix. Make sure everything is nicely incorporated. And now that we're done with that, we can also go in with some of our mozzarella. Once again, save a little bit for later because we're going to drizzle some on top before we bake it. Give that another good mix. And now for our cream cheese. This is a really nice addition to our cheese sauce and makes sure that it's nice and creamy and extra cheesy. So now I'm going in with my seasonings. I'm adding some salt and pepper to taste, along with some garlic powder and some paprika. And then again, you're gonna give that a nice mix. Now this part is completely optional, but I'm adding a hint of Dijon mustard. I was inspired by Teeny's mac and cheese to do this, but you don't have to add it. I just like to add it just for an extra kick. So now that we're done with our cheese sauce, we're gonna add our noodles into our bowl. I'm also going in with our sour cream, and then once again, give that a nice mix. So now that that is well incorporated, we can add our cheese sauce onto our noodles and again, give that a nice mix. Now we can add our mac and cheese into our dish, and we're gonna sprinkle the rest of our mozzarella and cheddar cheese on top. I also like to go in with a few chunks of larger cheeses just to kind of get a variety of cheese melts in my mac and cheese. And now that we're done adding our cheese, I sprinkled some paprika on top, and we can place our mac and cheese in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or just until the cheese is nice and bubbly and nice and crispy on top. So this is our final product, you guys. This is our delicious mac and cheese straight out of the oven. I ended up topping mine with a bit of parsley for some greenery. But yeah, this mac and cheese recipe is really delicious. I hope you guys like it and try it out. Just let me know in the comment section how you liked it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand.